Have you ever spent hours, sometimes even days, creating a single rendering? You model the building, assign materials, adjust lighting, render multiple times, then move into Photoshop for post-processing. It can be a long and demanding work. But what if I told you that today, artificial intelligence can generate a realistic architectural visualization under a minute? In today's video, I'll be showing you how AI is changing the architectural visualization. So let's get started. We're going to be using these images as a test. So you can see we have this. You can see this is just a rendering from Revit, a Mox design, and then we have also another draft rendering from Revit sample project. Then we have a finished rendered building using Lumion. So this was rendered using Lumion. Let's see. So we are going to render both. We can see how we can improve this using the AI. We can see how we can render this to look better using the AI also. Then we can see how we can render this unfinished rendered building using AI. So you can see in here we don't have anything, so we are also going to render this and see the two results that we are going to get. So we are going to start with this. Let's see how AI is going to improve this building. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT for this. You can use any other rendering software. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT for this. So I'm going to add the image. So I'll be dropping this 2. So I'm dropping 3. Let's allow it to load and see what we are going to get. So I have my prompt. I'm going to paste my prompt. So here you can see ultra realistic contemporary villa, white milk color exterior walls, this, and so on. So I'm going to be editing the prompt. So I'm just going to test this for this. So I'm going to click on send prompt and wait for the result. So let's see what AI is going to create out of this. Is it going to be better than what we have already? That image from Lumion, or is going to be very bad? So let's watch and see. So it is creating the image now. It's now sketching it out. Making the first draft. It is making the first draft. Setting the scenes. Let's see. We're almost there. It is polishing the details now. Finishing up. We are almost done. So finishing up. Let's wait for the result and see. Adding final touches. So the AI is even adding final touch. So let's see what are the final touches and the rendered image that we are going to get out of this one last week. Okay, we are still waiting for the last week. All right. We are waiting. ChatGPT before us. We are waiting. Okay. Let's see. Let's wait and see. I don't want to skip so that you see all the process and the time it took to render the image. So let's see, it is done. So let's wait and see the result. Wow. This is massive. This is massive. Wow. This is good. I think this is okay. Yeah, so let's compare this image with what we have from our rendered. Okay, it took the first one. Okay, I think it uses this one. So this was the image I think the AI used. So you can see the final on this. So I think the AI did a very good job. Yeah, I think it did a very good job with this result. This is good. This is good. You can see the exterior, the lighting, although there are some issues here, which you can all see from the lighting, the way the lighting is being displayed. They have some issue which you can check and rectify. And also the floor, you can see the way it's more of shiny more of like a mirror. I would not like something like this. So I'm going to definitely adjust the floor finish. You can see here it is more of like a glass. So I don't want something like this. So definitely we need to adjust the floor. So you can see the internal, like, the interior. So you can see the interior from outside the building. Okay, so if you want something like this, you can leave it. But I think even that I need to adjust. I would like to adjust that. So let's see, did AI tempered the design? Yes, AI tempered the design. You can see tempered the design. This is not how the building is being presented. So let's check the other drawings. So I think AI tempered the design. This is not, this window is not like this. I don't think we have, okay, we have that window also, but the positioning, you can see there are issues. It altered some information, especially that window. You can see, but at least it did a great job. It did a great job. So I think we can manage this, and we can also make changes from this. So we can adjust, and you can also use this as more of your idea when doing your own realistic rendering, or you can pick this image and then adjust it in your rendering software. So I think the AI tried. So let's look at the next images and see what we are going to get from the next image. So we are done with this. So I'm going to add the next one. So this is going to be our next image. So I'm going to paste my prompt, then send it, and then wait. Let's see what we are also going to get from this. Creating image, creating the image. So we are using three samples to see the result for the three samples. Making the first draft. Okay. So we are not going to skip. We are going to see the time it took to create all this rendering and so on. Polishing the just is polishing, finishing up. Let's see, almost there. Adding final touches. I think this write-ups are the same that we have from the previous one. Okay, well, last week. Yeah, same. So let's wait for the last week and see the result we are going to get from this. Is it going to be better? Is he going to alter the drawing also like he did in the first one? Is he going to leave everything the way it is? And so on. So let's see what we are going to get from this. So it is done. So I think he did a very good job also. But let's look at this image. Okay, there's the step, and we have some cast here. Okay, so let's look at the image. We have some operations, windows. That- So I think he added this staircase for you to go down, and then he added some final touches. Also added this, and he removed some things like here. You can see he removed this. Let's see the roof. Okay, he also added something at the roof. You can see. I think he did a better job now than the previous one. Yeah, he did a better job now than the previous one. So let's try the final test. See what we are going to get. So we have this images. So I'm going to put this. This my prompt. With this. Clean up the scene. Polishing details. That's taking more than expected, more time than expected. Okay, our design is ready. Let's see what we have. Whoa, 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 whoa. What did you just create? This is not my image. It's not what I gave you. ChatGPT, this is not what I gave now. Uh, can't you see? They're designing something else for me. No, 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 no. This is not what I gave you. Although you tried, but no. This is very bad. This is poor, very poor, 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 poor. He altered the design completely. Okay, he maintained this side, but he went and designed something else. So, no, I'm not satisfied with this result. So, this I'll give you 0/10. No, 2. So, this I'll give you 2/10. You altered my design. So, this is not what I'm expecting. So, this third result is very, very poor. So, depending on how you prompt it and what you give the AI, you can see with the two images, it did a very good job, especially the second one. It did a very good job. But you can see the last one, very bad. It altered the design. So you should be very, very careful when using AI. Don't go and design something and then render another thing else. So you should check your rendering. It's not all about how beautiful it looks. You need to check, is it what you are really presenting to client? Make sure you check that. So artificial intelligence is changing the way architectural visualization are being created.